Hello friends, almost every trader using support and resistance makes this mistake. But when you fix this one thing, the strategy becomes extremely powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple support and resistance setup that helped me become profitable, and then we're going to take a few live trades on Pocket Option. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Let's go. Let's quickly understand support and resistance. Support is simply a price level where the market has stopped falling multiple times. Resistance is the opposite. It is where the price struggles to move higher and often reverses. But the mistake most beginners make is that they enter immediately the market touches those levels instead of waiting for confirmation. So in this video, I'll show you the exact confirmation we wait for so as to enter into a trade. Okay, so first we identify a zone that the market has reacted to 2 or 3 times. So we have this point right here. So as you can see, the market has reacted a few times. So we have 1, the market came here and rejected, 2 and 3. So the market came here 3 times and rejected strongly, as we can see. So the next thing we look for a good demand or supply area. So right here we can see a good supply area right here. So once we get that supply area, we draw a horizontal line on that level as we have done on this point right here, and once it comes back to our supply area right here, once it got to our supply area, we take a trade and the trade will have closed as a winning trade. So that is one of the ways we trade support and resistance. So we also have another way. So as you can see right here, we have this resistance area right here. It rejected once, second time, but on that time it broke out. So before we broke out, we created this demand area right here, and as you can see, once we got back to this demand area right here, the market rejected strongly. So I'm going to show you a few live examples using these strategies, so make sure to watch till the end. Okay, so I just took my first trade with the buyers. So I waited for the market. So as we can see right here, so okay, let me explain why I took this trade. So as we can see, we have this rejection, this one and this one. So these are support area, and as I explained to you guys, once we get to a support area, we identify a proper demand area, like is the case in this point right here. And once the market came to this point, to the demand area, I took a trade. So I'm thinking of making this a series of episodes. So this will be my part 1. I'll only be taking trades using this strategy for the next let's say 10 sessions. Okay, I missed that one. Okay, I took a trade right here. So let's see how this one goes. So I'll be taking trades using this strategy only for the next 10 sessions. So make sure to watch each and every single episode so that you can master this strategy. So this one is rejecting quite well, and okay, that was a win. So the reason was very simple as well. So we have this resistance. Okay, these are still a support area. So it rejected once, first time, second time and third time, and then once we created this supply area, we got back to this point, we took a trade and it rejected. So this was a nice one. Let me look for another opportunity and take a trade. Okay, I took a trade, but I took it a bit early. So let me draw everything for you. So I was supposed to take it. Okay, it was a winning trade. So you have this resistance area right here. So make sure to always draw your resistance areas as a zone. Don't draw a horizontal line. So you have this area. So this whole area right here is a resistance area, and then we broke that. So once we broke that, we had this demand area, and once we came back to the demand area right here, so at this point right here, so once we came down to this point, we took a trade and we closed in profit. So make sure to comment the word series if you want me to take the next 10 sessions. If you want my next 10 sessions to be based on this strategy. I won't do any other I won't apply any other strategy in the next 10 trading sessions. So, and also make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. So bye.